Imagine a world where the most powerful technology companies are secretly fighting a war against counterfeiters in China, and the stakes are higher than you ever thought possible. This is the world of artificial intelligence, where companies like Open Artificial Intelligence and Google are working tirelessly to protect their intellectual property from being copied and sold on the black market. In this video, we will be exploring the shocking truth about how these companies are combating model copying in China and what this means for the future of technology. One of the main ways that Open Artificial Intelligence and Google are fighting against model copying is by using advanced encryption methods to protect their code. This makes it extremely difficult for counterfeiters to reverse engineer their products and sell them on the black market. However, this is not the only method that these companies are using, and we will be discussing the other ways that they are protecting their intellectual property in the following segments. Another way that Open Artificial Intelligence and Google are combating model copying is by working with the government to crack down on counterfeiters. The government has been increasing its efforts to stop the production and sale of counterfeit goods, and this has been helping to reduce the number of fake products that are being sold. Additionally, Open Artificial Intelligence and Google are also working with other companies to share information and best practices for protecting their intellectual property, and this has been helping to create a more secure environment for all companies involved. The impact of model copying on the artificial intelligence industry is significant, and it has the potential to undermine the entire industry. If counterfeiters are able to successfully copy and sell artificial intelligence models, this could lead to a loss of trust in the industry and a decrease in the value of artificial intelligence products. Furthermore, it could also lead to a decrease in innovation, as companies may be less likely to invest in research and development if they are not able to protect their intellectual property. Therefore, it is essential that Open Artificial Intelligence and Google, as well as other companies in the industry, continue to work together to combat model copying and protect their intellectual property. In addition to the methods that we have already discussed, Open Artificial Intelligence and Google are also using other techniques to protect their intellectual property. For example, they are using digital watermarking to track the use of their products and identify counterfeiters. They are also using machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent the use of counterfeit products, and this has been helping to reduce the number of fake products that are being sold. Moreover, they are also working with law enforcement agencies to prosecute counterfeiters and bring them to justice, and this has been helping to create a more secure environment for all companies involved. The fight against model copying is an ongoing one, and it will likely continue for many years to come. However, by working together and using a variety of methods to protect their intellectual property, Open Artificial Intelligence and Google, as well as other companies in the industry, can help to reduce the number of counterfeit products that are being sold and create a more secure environment for all companies involved. This is essential for the future of the artificial intelligence industry, and it is something that we will be continuing to follow in the coming years.